Welcome cruisers, and let's go with these 3 new major stories. From mechanical failures, to no laundry, to a illegal bombshell. We have it all. And why not show your support by dropping a heart emoji into the comments. Our first update is absolutely insane. Thousands of guests boarded the massive Disney adventure in Singapore on May the 7th, ready for a magical 4-night Disney getaway. And less than a day later, the whole cruise got shut down. Guests just spent 1 night on board before Disney announced major propulsion problems with a brand new 208,000-ton ship. The May the 7th to the 11th sailing was completely cancelled, and up to 6,700 passengers were told to grab their bags and head to local hotels. Disney is now handing out full refunds, future cruise discounts, hotel stays, and up to $500 per room. And the craziest part, the ship only debuted back in March, so total disaster before it even left port. And keep watching until the final story, as a cruise director just scored a €130,000 legal win. But firstly, we move on to our second update. This is the kind of drama nobody expects on vacation. Norwegian Jade just came back from a 2-week dry dock in Canada that ran from April the 19th to May the 4th, and now guests are finding out there's one huge problem on board. There is no laundry service. Yes, passengers sailing Alaska routes from Whittier and Vancouver this summer are being told all guest laundry is temporarily unavailable while new equipment installation is finished. That means there's no wash and fold, no dry cleaning, there is nothing at all. The ship still launched its Alaska season on May the 4th and even added a Starbucks and adults-only Vibe Beach Club, but guests on those long back-to-back cruises better pack extra clothes. This cruise industry story is blowing up right now. An Italian court just ordered Costa Cruises to pay a long-time cruise director a staggering €130,000 after ruling the company illegally kept him on temporary contracts for nearly 2 decades. The crew member worked from 2003 to 2021 under 51 separate contracts before suddenly not being rehired. The case exploded in the Bari Labour Court in Italy, where judges ruled Costa abused fixed-term contracts instead of treating him like a permanent employee. Now the Genoa-based cruise line has been ordered to rehire him and pay compensation plus interest. And experts say this bombshell ruling could completely shake up crew contracts across the entire cruise industry. And that's it for me today, cruisers. My name is Paul, and all the news you require is over on cruisehive.com. Now, if anyone has any news, you can email us at newstips@cruisehive.com. Please show your support by liking our video and please subscribing to our channel. I hope you have a good day, cruisers, and I'll see you in the next video.